I'm sitting in the dark, reflecting on my day. October 26 of 2021. That's not today. That was yesterday. So probably I will not recall everything correctly. But I definitely worked on trajectory. And that's something I'm really didn't expect to spend so much time and effort on, but that's probably something usually happens with like little aspects. And like at this point I'm not sure should I drop this or not, but okay, let's not talk on that, but let's go through the day. Really quickly. I spent some time messaging with a friend. Or rather, the girl who doing her own game, but I was about to participate. But I think she's currently going through difficult stage psychologically, and yeah, we spoke mostly about that, and that was not pleasant at all. And yeah, it's I think in general dialogue was destructive in a way. Yeah, because it was not about the game, and I think at this point I probably will not be doing this game with her. and I'm telling that not in a way I don't like to do that, but mostly it seems like she right now she's not about to spend her time doing a game right now, so probably she will not invite me later, but for sure nothing right now. And I was a little bit upset talking with her, or rather messaging, not because of game, but because I also projecting her problems on me, and my own problems, I guess. At least to a degree, I think I have similar thoughts and problems basically. But they are different as well. They're not completely similar. Do not remember in details how I was working and what happened, but later in the evening I went for a lecture. Went out probably. But basically it was meeting with friends from Siberia. Actually, before that, sometime after messaging, I had a really bad spike of mood. I was so upset. I was thinking not to go for lecture and meeting. That was like really, really bad state. But because I arranged this meeting already, I thought I should go, but also there was a thought, if I will go, maybe I will like distract myself from bad mood, and that's actually did happen to a degree. There was moments where I really kind of deep into situation and was talking with people. And I was calm, and yeah. That actually was good. And people also was drinking, but I thought I thought I was drinking yesterday, and probably I will be drinking tomorrow because of the meeting. Arrange another one, doesn't matter. Yeah, I thought it would be a bad idea to have alcohol 3 days in a row. But when I came home, right at the time where was about time to do recording and reflection on a day, for some reason I got whiskey. Yeah, that was actually quite stupid. But maybe it's because I'm not maybe because I don't want at the moment to do recording. Yeah, I really wonder how it will go further. Will I be able to make it every day, or will I drop it somehow? Yeah, we'll see. Yeah, so when I came and where was the time to make a recording, I had a bit of whiskey. And that was the day. I think I was drinking till 1:30. a.m., maybe until 2. I'm not happy about that, but yeah, that's how it was. That was my day.